In this video, I'm going to be building the Boeing 747, aka the Queen of the Skies in Lego, so let's go. If you don't know, the Boeing 747 is extremely big and old, being first produced in 1968 and is the second largest commercial aircraft, having 2 stories and 4 engines, with over 1,500 being produced. So let's build one in Lego. I'm using Bricklink to get my Lego parts. Bricklink is an extremely useful website where you can get Lego parts for extremely cheap prices. So let's get ordering.
Many months later.
But before we build the plane, let's build some ground vehicles that you can expect to find at any airport. First, I took this Lego set, and then I turned it into a stair vehicle. I took the skateboard off, and replaced the piece holding the skateboard with a 1x2 piece. Then I added a roof on the windscreen, a 1x2 tile, and then also the supporters to hold up the stairs. Finally, I added the stairs, and that completes our first ground vehicle. And I made 2 of them, of course. It is also just big enough for a minifigure to be able to fit inside, which is pretty cool. I used the truck in this Lego set to make the fuel truck by putting stuff in the back, and also adding a driver, and another person in the back. And there's our second airport vehicle completed. Finally, I finished with an airport shuttle bus. I took off the bike holders. I replaced it with 2 1x2 slopes and 1 2x4 tile, and took off the front bit. And now our airport shuttle bus is completed. Now that we've built all our airport ground vehicles, we can now start working on the plane. Now that I've got all the pieces, I can start building it. Here's what it looks like inside the plane. And now our 747 is completed. I built the 747 out of 5 sections, each all being important for the plane. First up is the cockpit. It's pretty normal inside. It's just big enough to fit 2 pilots, but you do have to take their arms off. It also does have the front landing gear. Next is the second section. It's only just got 2 layers of windows and 4 seats inside. Next up is the section that just curves it down back to 1 story. It also has a door. Now the 4th section is extremely important, consisting of the back landing gear, the engines, and the winglets as well as the wings. Now the final section of the plane contains the back of the fuselage, yet another door, and also the tail. Put it all together and we have our 747. Now if we had the ground vehicles that we built before, and also some workers, Our 747 is at an airport. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more of my videos, check out my channel below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment below what plane I should make in LEGO next.